So happened. This is Amit. As you all are waiting for this video, that is the expected cutoff for mop-up round. As two round is already done, now the master stroke, that is mop-up round. Most of the student will not participate, as I have got the message from lots of people that they are having the fear that if I will not get, then if I will not get the better slab, then so you have to take the advantage of this thing, because there will be very less number of students in mop-up round. It is like the a special round. It is like a spot counseling. So here you will have the better option. So up to which rank you can expect different campus, here is the detail. Haridwar campus CSE 12 to 34,000 from slab 1 to slab 5. Other state 5 to 24. AIDS 14 to 44 home state, other state 6 to 26. EC 16 to 42 home state, other state 7 to 28. This was about the Haridwar campus. Now let's talk about Coimbatore campus. That is the main and most important campus. CSE 2 to 15,000 for home state, other state 800 to 7,000. CSE specialization 3 to 22,000 home state, other state 2.5 to 9,000. It is from slab 1 to slab 5, slab 4, 2, 3, 4, where you will get everything. I will discuss with you once you register with my guidance, or if you want to just book a doubt session by paying 500, it is 499 on the screen. You are getting my number, but only contact me for paid guidance. Otherwise, no solution I can provide. I am lots of already exhausted and frustrated with lots of people who are already registered with my guidance. So if you want my paid guidance, then only try to contact me. Otherwise, it is not possible to provide you time. CST specialization 3 to 22 home state, other state 2.5 to 9. EC 5 to 25 home state, other state 3 to 12. ELC 6 to 26 home state, other state 4 to 14. Triple E 7 to 32, 5 to 19, that is home state, other state. Mechanical 9 to 40, that is slab 1 to slab 5, home state, other state 6 to 27. Others 11 to 48 and 8 to 33, that is home state, other state. So better counseling will help you to get the best out of your rank once you register. Only I will charge 1500 now, because only one round is left now. So if you want complete guidance, only 1500. Before that, you can pay 500 and get all the details and possibility. If you satisfied, you can pay the remaining 1000 and get the complete guidance. Okay. So now Amritapur is CSE 2 to 18,000 and 1 to 9,000 for home state, other state. CSE specialization 4 to 24, 3 to 10. EC 5 to 26, 4 to 11. Electronics and computer 7 to 28, 5 to 13. Triple E 8 to 33, 6 to 22. Mechanical 9 to 46, 7 to 30. This is for Amritapuri campus. Now Bangalore similar. You can check sidewise. For other state I am talking home state, you can check sidewise. 1 to 7, 4 to 12, 3 to 10, 5 to 13, 6 to 21, 7 to 21. That is for ESC, EC, CSC specialization, electronics and computer, triple E, mechanical respectively. Now for Chennai, CSE 2 to 13, CSE specialization 5 to 16, EC 6 to 18, mechanical 7 to 31, electronics and computer 6.5 to 21. This is for other state, home state. You can check sidewise. From slab 1 to slab 5, I am discussing the cutoff. Now for Amravati, 4 to 17, 5 to 19, 7 to 23. Nagar Soil 4 to 19, 5 to 21, 7 to 25. Faridabad 6 to 28, 6 to 30. So thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any update, and try to do the mop-up counseling. This is my advice, but with proper guidance. Otherwise, you may lose your money, lose your seat also, and you will not get anything. That's why it is very important. I will provide you best college, best branch, and best campus, best lab also, to save your money as well. So whenever you want, you can contact. Only 1500 charge for complete guidance. For doubt session only 500. Thank you.